guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your chat history on Deepseek step by step, making it simple and easy to follow. So let's get started. First of all, open the Deepseek app on your mobile device. Once the app opens, you'll be on the main screen where all your chats and options are visible. On the top left corner of the screen, you'll see two horizontal lines. This is the menu icon. Tap on it to open the menu and access more options. From the menu, look at the bottom left corner and tap on the profile icon. This will take you to your account profile where you can manage settings and controls. Inside your profile, scroll to find data controls under settings. Tap on data controls to open options related to your chat history and data management. At the bottom of the data controls page, you'll see the option Delete All Chats. Tap on Delete All Chats to permanently remove your chat history from Deepseek. Once confirmed, all your previous chats will be deleted from the app. And that's it. That's how you can easily delete your chat history on Deepseek. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tips. And don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help.